Hello, this is Erik Productions with episode 15 of the Planespotting series. Here's the first plane. We also have the moon. You can't really see it that well, but it's like a crescent. It's crescent phase. Oops. Second plane of the night. You can only see like a blinking light. Yeah, that's the second plane. It's high up in the air, so all you can see is a blinking light. It is nighttime in the city of Los Angeles. That light gave it like a little different look to the sky color. At least on the camera. Oh, let's see another plane over there. Third plane. This is going to be a short episode today. So, with that being said, I'll wrapping it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, even though it's only 3 planes and the moon. But next time I'll hopefully get more. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. And oh, where's the plane? Oh, there it is. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Goodbye, guys.